So yeah, for everybody here, we've been building communities online. Earlier this year, we hosted DeFiSummit.com. That was an online conference. We had about 10 different ecosystems from layer one, layer twos come, showcase what they're building on DeFi, a lot of DeFi marketplaces, etc. 2 weeks ago, we hosted a all NFT version called NFTCon. That one, we had about like 15,000 registrations and attendees for that one event as well too. And we decided, we've done solo dedicated DeFi events and then another one for NFTs. Why not put together kind of our in-person event as well too? So we kind of looked at it a little bit more. We saw that Art Basel was happening, and so we planned out probably about 6 months ago to kind of bring all things decentralized, whether it be decentralized finance, art, NFTs, and collectibles to Art Basel during Art Basel week as well too. So that's where we kind of put together the idea to host Dcentral Miami. This is going to be hosted at the Miami Airport Convention Center. The dates are November 30th and December 1st. So it's on a Tuesday and Wednesday of the week. Art Basel public viewing is actually on December 2nd. And then there's actually like 6+ or many other like galleries and festivals, festivities happening through the whole weekend and then the following week as well too. So we're kind of like in the front of it, so you can talk business, NFTs, all things decentralized, and kind of go over there to go over to all the Art Basel and Art Miami events as well. We're also doing it in virtual too, so we'll have a live stream for people that are not able to join in, and then there are also speakers that are not able to join in, and we're kind of beaming them in through video, similar to like somehow the other conferences that are out there. For our event, we have 3 different stages. We have a DeFi stage, NFT stage, and demo stage. We also have a lot of other activities that we have as well in terms of experiences. So we're engaging a few different art galleries to just display some of the arts. We're also talking to, and we brought in a few different PFP collections right now, such as World of Women, Cyber Kongs, Gutter Cats. We're talking to Bored Apes and a few other different collectives to showcase some of their one-on-one arts, and then also be able to have like a little meet at our event. One other thing too that we had was kind of this metaverse corner as well too. We're seeing this big intersection beyond NFTs where digital meets physical. So have actually a pretty big corner called the Metaverse Corner inside of our expo hall that will have like Digital X, Fabricant, Dress X, Decentraland, Artifact, all these kind of like digital meets physical, whether it be AR, VR, fashion. Very interactive booths out there. So we have this whole section that's not art, but a much more interactive experience there too. And we have a lot of different other side events and stuff going on through the week too. So if you're not able to join for our main conferences, we're hosting a lot of like smaller events too. For this event, in the similar vein of what we did with DeFi Summit and NFTCon, we're not single chain maxis. We believe in multi-chain and cross-chain world as well too. So actually, to this date, we have 15 different ecosystems now. Layer 1, Layer 2 is coming in from the Cosmos. Cardano just confirmed. Stellar is actually doing some NFTs now. Stacks, Near Protocol, Polygon, Solana, you name it. So like all the big names, even some new emerging ones like Cadena, is also coming in as well, showcasing both what's happening on DeFi as well as NFTs and all things in between. We also have about 6 other game companies now, like Sandbox, Star Atlas, Animoca Brands, Scale Games. So we're seeing this mesh between DeFi and gaming come into play. So we have a lot of GameFi. It's a whole new subcategory as well too. And many more too. So yeah, wanted to invite everybody here too. I can also drop like a special discount code, a heavy discount code for everybody here too, if you want to come through. And then if you want to participate and join in anyway, let us know too. We're just building a lot of really cool things here too. And and then also too, just for the futures too, we have a lot more other events planned for 2022. We're going to take this same exact thing for Dcentral Miami and drop it right before Bitcoin Miami and host a not Bitcoin event, highlighting all things not Bitcoin. And Bitcoin Miami seems to be like a full Bitcoin Maxi event, so we'll bring some new flavor into that area as well too, as well as other events too, like Consensus. But yeah, that's I just want to kind of like share with you guys like kind of the community events that we have going on here, and I'm not sure if there's any questions or any other things, but feel free to reach out. And thanks for the invite.
Well, thanks for inviting our audience and our network. We love that discount code. That's awesome. Also, it's so interesting that Art Basel was happening, kind of during crypto events for all these years. And, you were a member of the community for many, many years as well. And then all of a sudden, it all makes sense with NFTs and DeFi and sort of DAOs. And how did you connect all those dots in creating this conference? Because it is the best thought out of conference I've seen this year.
Well, yeah. So for us, before COVID, we've been hosting events before too in the past, in different cities and different places. So Seattle, LA, New York, and San Francisco, as well as internationally too. So like for us, like for this event especially, the way that we were able to bring a lot of different ecosystems and players into spaces, we've been hosting events in the past before, so we just called up all our friends and all our old friends back in the 2017, 18, 19 bear market run as well too. Everybody's kind of got back into the industry and the space, but we just started for us on our end. It's just we started working directly with protocols themselves now, and started asking them like all the projects that they have in the marketplaces and the things that they've been up to. So a lot of the people and projects that we have are vetted through. Most of them are vetted through a lot of the other directly to the protocols and the projects themselves and the builders themselves too directly. So and then we're just always involving different aspects in the community too. I know that if you ask most people in the crypto communities, they actually did not go to Art Basel or other NFT events. This year is obviously the biggest year for NFTs. For us, we've been hosting NFT events back in 2019. We hosted the first E3 blockchain gaming stage with Polygon. Nobody cared about us. We're just like this weird NFT corner inside of E3 in LA. And then we did a few other events as well in Hong Kong and others too, but it was super small. Like if you see like the Axie community back then, it was like super small too. So we've always our team is like we're naturally like a big gamers, and so like we've always believed in gaming and NFTs, and this just seemed like a natural combination of what we really like, combined with collectibles, art, and everything else too.